Hello friends, I am Saidat Kamath. I am going to present before you the mimicry of the CM of Goa, Bhai. Friends, please take the note that this is just a mimic and it has nothing to do with the real life. Now let us come to the point. What's the latest issue? Well, सगळ्यांनी ट्यूबलाइट मूवी पळयली आसतली. थोडी जाण म्हणटात की इट्स फ्लॉप, पण थोडी जाण म्हणटात इट्स व्हेरी व्हेरी पॉवरफुल. आता म्हाकाच खबर ना कितें उलोवपाचें तें, पूण आमी सद्याक हे सायडीन दवरया, हे कुशीक दवरया, and let's ask our CM regarding the same. What's going to be Bhai's reaction on tube light in the season of the LED lights? Presenting before you CM of Goa. I mean mimicry of the CM of Goa, Bhai.
First of all, you are asking me the question of the LED light in the season of the tube light. The question of the tube light in the season of the LED light. Movie. Key, once you are taking the responsibility of the state, movieच्या कांयच कमेंट मारपाक वेळ आसना. But let me clear you one thing. तुम्ही जर फ्लॉप जर झाला म्हणशा ताजेर हांव ओपनली काय उलोवपाक वचना, पूण if you are releasing the movie called as tube light in the season of the LED light, जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता की ताजेर सूक्ष्म मोक्ष जावंक जाय. कित्याक डिजिटल इंडियाच्या रुपान पळयता तेन्ना जर ट्रेडिशन घेवन जर मुखार वचच्या जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता ताजेर एक कितें तरी सिरियसली इश्यू आमकां ताजेर काडपाक जाय. See, if it is flop, it means there is definitely some wrongdoing. I remember way back in 2007, सगळे जेन्ना LED लायट्स म्हूण कितें तरी आयिल्ले तेन्ना ताजेर पळोवंक जाय आशिल्लें की आमी ट्यूबलायट काडूंक जाय ना. LED लायट तुगेले चड स्कोपार आसा ताका चड स्कोप आसतलो. It could have been very very effective and powerful in the season of the LED light. ती बरी हिट जातली आशिल्ली. सो आय थिंक हाजेर कितें तरी विचार करपाची एक गरज आसा.